How to make a mixed media collage of a beetle. To make your beetle, you will need a beetle template, scissors, a glue stick, a range of good quality craft papers, tracing paper, a marker pen and paper clips. First, choose a beetle template. Attach the tracing paper to the template using the paper clips and trace the beetle with a marker pen. Now you can use the tracing as a pattern for the beetle body parts. Focus on cutting out the larger parts first. When you have cut out a part, glue it to the beetle template. Continue to use the tracing as a pattern for cutting out the other parts. Keep cutting and sticking details onto your beetle. When you have added the more significant body parts, smaller parts can be added. I've used a marker pen to colour the beetle's legs. This is because the legs are very thin and difficult to cut out. Using the pen also gives a nice contrast to the colourful body parts. Next, add the finer details that will make the beetle look more professional. I've added glitter glue and used a gold marker pen on each leg. Finally, cut out the beetle and place it on a fabric background. This dull hessian is a nice contrast to the shiny beetle. Add embellishments and embroidery to complete your beetle. I've added gold stitches, sequins, buttons and felt to mine. What do you think? Now it's your turn to make a mixed media collage of a beetle. Let's get started.